Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with a quick market update. Today, before market open, we got at 8:25 building permits and durable goods. All was lower than expected and started the day in a good shape. At 8:30, 5 minutes later, initial jobless claims came higher than expected. Those are good news. And also continuing jobless claims came hotter than expected. So these were good news. I think part of that was already in the markets into the open. But then at 10 a.m., we got new home sales that came higher than expected. We expected 0.58 million and we got 0.63 million. If we check the sales month over month from a minus 11% decrease the previous data, now for October we got 7.5% in the positive. So looks like people still buying new homes. So that market took a little bit of a dip at 10 a.m. due to that, but then bulls started pushing again. Let's take a look at the charts. So as you can see, this is the 1 minute chart for NQ. We started the day quite bullish based on jobless claims. We broke the 11,800 pivot, and this is the 10 a.m. candle. As you can see, this is the 10 a.m. candle. As you can see, we dipped and we recovered the price action, recovered strength, and we are now grinding higher and higher, and with a high of 11,890. I was expecting 11,900 because we are at this, we are trying to reclaim these levels at 11,950 for Nasdaq, because I think last week high at 12,000 may be too high, but anything can happen, and we still have FOMC minutes at 2 p.m. today. So be careful because anything can still happen. But right now, Nasdaq is pushing quite bullish, honestly, and dollar and yields are pulling back. So dollar is 0.75% in the red today, still continuation to the downside, rejecting 108, and we are now trying to push 106. Yields also in the red, quite big of a hit. I think today yields show that markets are pricing in a lower rate for December. This is something that we've been talking about a lot during the last week, basically, bullish momentum. But I think this week is not the week to gather sentiment based on volume and participation, because tomorrow is Thanksgiving, and I think a lot of participants are already hedged out and market is lacking volume. Still, markets are moving up based on good fundamentals. So it is what it is. This is something that we have to analyze. What else? Tesla. Tesla is 6.40% on the day. I was saying early this week that Tesla was falling off and this was a critical level. We basically came out of nowhere. I think 166 was quite a nice level for buyers to step in, and I think bulls are back in Tesla. We will see if 180 can hold and we can see a future move to 200. That would be great, because that was the last resistance that we got rejected off, and I think 200 is maybe quite a conservative target given the circumstances that Tesla is underperforming the rest of the Nasdaq. Right now, pushing heavy, and the rest of the Nasdaq is holding quite well. S&P is also pushing the 200 moving average, in this case the 200 EMA. The white line is the 200 simple moving average, SMA, but both are quite interesting because we are trying to go through both 200s moving averages and try to take this descending resistance that we've been holding since months. So quite a nice day for the overall market, continuation good fundamentals, good economic data, but be careful because the day is not over yet and anything can happen at 2 p.m. today with the FOMC minutes. Honestly, I don't expect anything new on the minutes, but I think nothing crazy will push the markets even higher because we are already pricing in a decrease in interest rate hikes on December. So if that's the sentiment, that's the speech and the statements that we can find in the FOMC minutes, everything will just push higher. And that's where I am and I'm expecting personally. So as always, thank you for your time. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. If you found this video useful, please remember to click the like button and subscribe to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Remember, I upload new videos for market forecast, market updates, and market recap. I appreciate your time and see you in a couple of hours with the market recap. Remember, FOMC minutes at 2 p.m. Be careful because volatility will be there for sure and anything can happen. Trading day is not over yet, and discipline and risk management are key for your success. Stay safe, everyone, and see you later.